The Gemara says there's a machloket between Resh Lakish and his rabbi, Rabbi Yochanan. Rabbi Yochanan says that Kol Yisrael yesh lahem chelek l'olam haba. All of Am Yisrael have a share of the world to come. Resh Lakish says yes, but that's Israel. Am Yisrael, yes. If they're considered part of Am Yisrael, they have share of the world to come. But the Gemara says in 5 places, and also you have the Rambam says in Ilchot Shabbat, the last halacha, chapter 30, last halacha, he says a Jew that violates Shabbat on purpose drives to synagogue on Shabbat, like we have in Florida. Baruch Hashem, I don't think you guys have that problem over here, but in Florida we have people drive to shul. They drive to shul on Shabbat. I saw one time guy drive to shul 5 o'clock in the morning. He wanted to pray nets, so he drove to shul on Shabbat at 5 o'clock in the morning. And you can see the guy coming out with the seat happy, like. And and nobody tells him. No one told him. For 20 years he's driving to shul. No one told him he's not allowed to drive on Shabbat. So when I told the guy, you're not allowed to drive on Shabbat, he goes, well, I'm going to go to shul. I said, don't go to shul. He said, well, I'm Jewish. I said, yes, 10 commandments doesn't have, number 1, believe in God. Number 2, don't, no, it doesn't say go to shul. There's no number 3, number 4, number 5, go to shul. But there is number 4, keep Shabbat. Don't drive on Shabbat. No one ever told him, so he drove on Shabbat. And the Rambam says a Jew that drives on Shabbat, a Jew that does business on Shabbat, is considered an idol worshiper. You know, like the people that pray to Yoshke, people that pray to some person, look like a rock star, had long hair, with a mustache. They pray to him. They think he's God. You think it's stupid, right? Some people have Buddha statues in their front yard. They have a statue in their front yard. That's also an idol. So you think it's stupid too, right? Well, guess what? Driving on Shabbat is also stupid. Why? Idol worshiper. Same thing. So now if a person looks at this, says, oh, so if he's an idol worshiper, he's not considered part of Am Yisrael. It's a problem if he's an idol worshiper.